Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming licenses and Azure AD settings so enrollment is permitted. Next, make sure you have the company portal app downloaded and strong Wi-Fi access. This avoids mid-step timeouts. On the admin side, create an MDM enrollment profile for the device platform and assign it to your user group. Once done, open company portal, sign in with your work account, and allow the requested permissions so the device can register with Azure AD and begin management. You'll now follow the enrollment flow in company portal. Choose Register or Enroll, accept the management profile, and provide a local PIN if prompted. Make sure to grant device admin permissions where required and enable location or camera only if policies demand it. Once registered, the device will sync assigned apps and compliance policies. This may take several minutes. If a device needs automatic configuration, allow configuration profiles to apply and verify. Finish by checking the Intune console to confirm the device is enrolled and compliant. You'll see device details and policy status. If apps or policies haven't arrived, force a device sync from company portal or reboot the device to speed up policy application. If registration fails with persistent errors, remove the work account or profile and re-enroll. This clears stale tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: check time, network, and certificate validity. Incorrect device time or blocked ports often block enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.